In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach a file in AutoCAD quickly and easily, whether it's a DWG, PDF, image, or another supported file type. This is a super useful skill if you want to bring in external content as a reference, add supporting documents, or place an underlay directly into your drawing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your project is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Insert tab. This is where AutoCAD keeps many of its file insertion tools, including the option to attach external references and underlays. Now click Attach. After you do that, AutoCAD will open a file browser window so you can choose the file you want to bring into your drawing. Browse to the location of your file and select it. AutoCAD supports several common formats, including DWG files, PDF files, and image files, so choose the one that fits your project. After selecting the file, click Open. At this point, AutoCAD may show you a set of insertion options before placing the file. Here you can adjust settings like the insertion point, scale, and rotation. If you already know exactly where and how you want the file to appear, you can change these settings now. If not, it's completely fine to keep the default values and adjust the placement manually afterward. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. AutoCAD will now let you place the file into your drawing area. Move your cursor to the location where you want the file to appear, then click in the drawing area to place it. Depending on the file type, this attached file may appear as an external reference or as an underlay, but in both cases it becomes part of your working drawing environment without permanently merging into the file. This is especially helpful because attaching a file keeps your project organized and flexible. You can use it for reference, compare drawings, overlay PDFs, or bring in images while still keeping the original file separate. That means your source file stays intact, and you can manage it more easily later if you need to move, update, or detach it. So just to quickly recap, open your drawing, go to the Insert tab, click Attach, choose your file, click Open, set your insertion options if needed, click OK, and then click in the drawing to place it. That's all there is to it. If this AutoCAD tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step design software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.